Here's a pair of these Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these speakers in the pairing mode. And we'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light over here is blinking blue, blue, blue. Right? So the headphone or the speakers are currently off. Let's turn these on. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, once it turns on, wait another few seconds, and then you want to wait to see if the light here is blinking blue, blue, blue. Just like this. So now this is in pairing mode. Okay, if you have a solid blue light, you may be connected to a phone or another device around you. What you can do is just to manually put it in a pairing mode is just tap the pairing button. Just press on that. You hear like a beep and it'll start blinking blue. Anyway, we're blinking blue here. We're in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and shoot over to our MacBook. And we're going to go to the settings here. So just top left hand side, the Apple logo, select that and go down to system settings. From here, we're going to go to Bluetooth, right there. Now, from here, make sure that the Bluetooth is toggled on here, all right? And now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, under nearby devices, you should see this little spinny thing here, searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, blue, blue. It did find the Soundcore 2 right there. Let's hover over it and select on Connect. Come on. Oh, there we go. Looks like we are connected. And you can see it says Soundcore 2 says connected, and I got 70% battery juice on here. Now, if you had any kind of issues with connecting these, you can always factory reset these speakers. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.